I have a French Bulldog and sometimes his breath is not great. As you can see, he's sitting here super excited because I literally just opened this and he could smell it across the room. He came running. He is excited to try this. So this right here was sent for my review and it's so cool. It is a dental powder for dogs. So I have been fighting with Walter, that's my Frenchie, to try and like brush his teeth, and he absolutely hates it. Like he just kind of freaks out and runs away. Whereas something like this, there is no brushing required. You actually just can scoop it right on their food, or you can mix it with water as well and have them drink it. I just don't know. I think putting it over the food is the best option. And it's got these like, there's probiotics in it. There's like antibodies from egg yolk. There's even like, I read like brown algae, and there's even kelp, and that will last to 24 hours. And it basically coats their teeth. And then that's just going to kind of help get rid of like, you know, any kind of buildup or any of like that bad breath that he definitely has, especially because of Walter. I actually cook his meals at home. So I just do find he has that really terrible bad breath. And there is like a little chart right here. So just depending on their weight will be how much you give them. So Walter is 42 pounds. So he's going to get 2 scoops. So I would probably do 1 scoop with his morning feed and then 1 scoop with his night feed. And this is what it looks like right here. So you got that, and it does come with the little scooper, which is great. So then you just add that right on top of their food. Or as I said, mix it with water, but I do think the food is going to be the best option. But yeah, and I think I saw that this is a chicken flavor, and it definitely smells like chicken because clearly I opened it up. And then this guy, he's over here just like licking his lips. He cannot wait. You want to give it a little smell, buddy? Look, yeah. Oh, that's going to keep your, oh boy. Okay. So yeah, definitely we're going to be adding this to his food. He's clearly excited.